been sitting around my closet for a while now and I never really used it, but I'm gonna use it today and we'll see how it goes. The thing that I want to know the most is how good it does with long hair. I know you can use it on short hair, like most of people are using this thing on short hair, but we'll see how it goes with longer hair. So this packaging looks like it was never made for adults. It was made more like for teenagers, because if it was made for adults and everyone to use it, maybe it would have been more of a minimal design, but yeah, whatever. And I'm not a huge fan of how this opens. If I twist this cap over, this just lifts off and here we have the product. What is this, man? The smell is okay. It smells like shaving cream. Is it shaving cream, man? No, that's a hair cream. Shaving cream. So looking at the product, I feel like it is a really moisturized product. It is really creamy and I don't feel it is thick, so that is going to make the application process really easy. And if I test the product, it feels really lightweight, so that is going to make this an awesome product for shorter hairstyles, as it is not going to weigh your hairstyle down and your hairstyle can live all day long. So looking at the product, I can say that it is going to give me that shiny look that it was saying on the box, on the packaging. We'll see how shiny my hair gets after applying this. Keep in mind that I'm not applying this product to my roots or my scalp. I'm only applying it to the length of my hair and the hair ends as well. So yeah. Hey, so before we move on, I'd like to remind you guys that as above 80% of you guys watching this video are not yet subscribed to the channel, a like and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated, and it is going to help me motivate myself to bring you guys more awesome videos and more informational content on hair related topics. So after I'm done applying the product, my hair feels like it is really thick and it really feels a way lot smoother. The comb is literally flying through my hair. So that thickness that I was talking about, thickness and the smoothness, it lasts only a few minutes until the product is completely dry, and those few minutes are the time that the product gives you in order to part your hair before the product is completely dry. And after the product has completely dried, my hair doesn't feel that thick anymore, but it does feel really smooth, and the comb is still gliding through my hair. And as I mentioned earlier, this is a lightweight product, so my hair feels really lightweight right now, and the coconut oil really weighs my hair down, but I can apply this if I want a little more volume and a little less weight out of my hair. And another point worth mentioning is that my hair felt a little sticky for 2 or 3 minutes after I was done applying the product, but after a few more minutes, like 7 to 10 minutes, my hair is completely non-sticky right now. It is really smooth and it is really lightweight. The particular hair strands are not sticking to each other, all of the strands are apart. So surprisingly enough, I have to say that this cream did way better than I ever expected. Like, I never expected it to be this good. I was thinking that it is going to make my hair a little bit sticky and it is going to make my hair weigh down, but it has done nothing, and my hair looks really good right now, and all of the frizz from my hair is gone. My hair doesn't look dry anymore. The ends look good. This cream is way lighter than I ever expected, and it is sort of moisturized my hair as well. So if you've got like dry hair or frizzy hair, you might want to consider using this thing, but keep in mind that I haven't applied it on the scalp. I'm still going to apply some coconut oil on the scalp and the roots, as that is the best thing to do, at least in my thinking. But I have applied this product on my entire length and it looks really good. And with that being said, my name is Manoj and I'll catch you in the next one.